Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Notion for project databases, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with Notion, first, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.notion.so and press enter. Once the Notion homepage loads, look for the Sign Up button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Type in a valid email address and click the Continue button. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Notion. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to the Notion website. Next, create a password for your account with at least 8 characters. Fill in your password and click the Create Account button. You may be asked to select a workspace option. Choose from the given options or select Create My Own for a custom setup. Once you've chosen, click Continue to proceed. Now, you will be prompted to customize your workspace. Fill in the necessary details, such as workspace name and purpose. After customizing, click the Create Workspace button. Your Notion account is now set up. You will be taken to your new workspace dashboard. To create your first project database, click on the New Page option. Name your new page as Project Database. In the page, choose the option to add a database. Select a database type, such as table or board, depending on your preference. Customize your database by adding relevant properties and fields. Start adding your project entries as needed. Consider setting filters or views for better organization. Once everything is set, explore the various features Notion offers to enhance your project management. Congratulations, you are now registered with Notion and ready to use it for your project databases. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.